Guys, don't sleep. Wake up. Talk with me. Say something. Come on. Come on, wake up. You're here to trade, not to sleep. You know, I tried, like I drink hazelnut coffee, right? Like hazelnut flavor. I'm not, 1 minute late. I will think about our future relationship 1 minute late. Damn, that's crazy. I drink a hazelnut coffee. Like I love this kind of flavor. But I tried with oat milk. Well, not bad. Because I feel like I have problem with regular milk. Espresso, no, I don't like this. I don't like this flavor. So I bought these beans in Sprouts. Not bad. I used to drink Nespresso for I don't know, 7 years. Try almond milk? I will buy. I know this almond milk with vanilla flavor, like regular one, right? Without sugar. Oh, chocolate almond milk. Never tried before. It's happy day. I hope so. I hope so. Yeah, okay, I will buy almond milk. Yesterday, my kids tried oat milk for the first time because, guys, I'm a fan of oat milk. I really like this. Never tried, by the way, almond milk in coffee. I tried almond milk, just to drink it was, not must. But oat milk, not bad. And my kids actually love this oat milk as well. I buy this in Costco every single time when I go there. Yeah, I will buy. I will go to Publix today to buy. View for today, guys, I'm British. I'm British, but I don't know. This market is such a garbage. Good morning, good morning. I remember when I was a kid, I don't remember a single day when my dad was drinking coffee with milk. It was always black coffee. It was smelling like, oh God. So how people can drink just black coffee? How is that even possible? How? Maybe I'm too young for this. Not old enough. Hey Barbara, how are you? I'm gonna message you today, by the way. We'll send you message to you and Daniel after stream. Hey Pasha, how are you? How are you? I wanted to text you yesterday, but I didn't. I forgot. Tell us about taking partials. Okay. Oh, wow, interesting. Wanted to text you yesterday, so I keep forgetting about Discord. Always use milk, right? Soy milk. Never ever tried this in my life. Is it good? I don't eat sugar, guys. I try to mix coffee with regular milk, but I don't know, my body refused to accept milk, regular milk. Same with protein. That's why I bought peas protein, because I don't know, probably have problem. And I try to drink coffee with oat milk. It's my third time. You see, Pax removed his videos. Daniel, what happened? I never watched his videos, by the way. Okay, 1 second. Good point. Oh, Pack Trades. Daniel, I downloaded his videos if you need. You know, guys, I'm gonna share something with you. When I see like indicators with open source, I always save code. Like mental issue. And I always say, my husband always saves videos from YouTube. As I said, like, I like this video, he always gonna save this. So I have Pack Trades. Do we have Pack Trades videos? Hey! I believe I do. Hi, husband. Hi, husband. Hey, laugh of my life. He will ask me if I'm drunk or something like that, Daniel. Because this morning I said you cute because he looked like cute. My Daniel looks exactly like my husband. It's like copy paste, guys. And I always keep saying like, Daniel, you're so cute. You're so cute. And this morning I said my husband like he's super cute. He was like, are you okay? Do you need help? I mean, yeah. Even when I hate him, he's cute, so. I tell you guys, like my youngest, he's 5. He looks exactly the same as my husband. Like it's really like copy paste, guys. Copy paste. So that's why, like, Daniel's super cute. He's super cute. He looks super cute. That's why when I look at my husband, like, I hate you, but you know, like, you're cute. Like, I want to, like. People say hello to you. He said, like, he showed me like that. Nathan looks like more like me, I guess. Yeah, but not Daniel. Like right next to my office, there's like kids' bedroom, so my husband went there. He's so good looking. That's me. Like that's me. I can hate him, but at the same time, like, Good morning, guys. Guys, we're $800 away from passing our evaluations. If it's gonna be solid, guys, setup, we must pass today. If it's gonna be like, not perfect first action, we will pass tomorrow. Let's see if I can pass like really for 3 days. For 3 trades, not 3 days, without full porting. So my plan, it's tough, guys. It's hard. Because FOMC today and I don't know, strong rejection from weekly open on ES makes me feel like, well, interesting reaction and I want to see lower. But at the same time, we're still above New York midnight open. You know, guys, I'm looking for previous weekly level. I'm looking for 7,400 on ES. But at the same time, I really question this because we have higher low over here, which basically still makes this market slightly, on medium time frame, slightly bullish on ES. While in Q, like, damn, it's bearish. Kind of decoupled. I don't like this, but in Q, in my opinion, bearish. ES really trying to be bearish, but still fighting. Probably if it's gonna break this higher low, we will have room to go lower. I don't know, like, it's really questionable right now. Yesterday, Sean, I took 2 trades. I was like, by the way, guys, listen. One more time. If you're here, guys, I'm not sure if that guy is here, but I'm gonna repeat this again. If you see your model tells you like long here, but I'm unsure personally, don't trust me. Trust your model. That's your model. You tested this. You know like it works. If I'm unsure, but for your model it's long, take it. I keep saying this every single time. Don't try to copy me. I mean, yeah, maybe like I consider myself consistently profitable, but I still make mistakes. Trusting me like 100% of the time, it's not smart. If our bias are like the same, that's nice. It's additional confirmation for you and additional confirmation for me. Like we're on the same page. But if you see longs, but I'm in shorts, I can be wrong. It doesn't mean like you're wrong. I can be wrong, okay? So for once again, if your model tells you long, but I'm in shorts, you long, right? You long. That's it. Nothing else. Yesterday, first time, guys, for the 4 weeks, even 5 weeks, according to TradeZella, I ended up being red on the day. Not like last, red on the day in my funded accounts. This happens. We're accepting this and moving on. 2 trades I was trying to short twice on this dumb ES chart below New York midnight open 2 times. I took a loss. After this, I switched on my 3rd trade on Epic's evaluation accounts, and we made like $1,200, $1,200 on that long, because we planned this trade yesterday, and once again we took this one. Of course, second short could be avoided, but damn, in real time it looked good. In hindsight, of course, shit. Right? So I took this long with you guys. We took this together. 3rd trade. Win. But once again, it's like right mindset. I was straight on my funded accounts. What I did, I didn't have goal to, I did read my message on WhatsApp. I didn't have goal to recover the loss. I simply locked my accounts and moved to my evaluations. Yes, we got nice money on evaluation, but ended up being right on funded. Is that bad? Not really. It's just sometimes you need to pay tuition for your mistakes. That's it. For your lessons, right? That happens. Once again, I'm gonna repeat this for like millions times, I guess. If your model tells you like, short, I'm in long, you shorten this. Don't listen to me. Don't try to copy this. You shorten. This is how we build our edge in trading, okay? Yeah. So, FOMC today, and we have a problem, by the way. We don't have gap on SPX, most likely. So we closed at 74.28, and maybe we're gonna have 5 points gap, which is bad. When we don't have gap on SPX, most of the time IM session just chop, chop, chop. So we want to keep this in mind. Just in order to avoid taking unnecessary losses, we want to keep this in mind. So ideal plan if I want to short. Let me think. We're breaking below this higher low over here. Retracing back to the range, but ideally equilibrium of this move down. Reaction with 5-minute order block will be my short. That's only plan I have. Why I'm talking about ES, not talking about NQ? Because only ES right now really trying to be bullish on medium time frame, while NQ already bearish. So if you want to see market in sync, not decoupled, right? We want to see ES turning bearish or NQ turning bullish. So for ES, in order to turn bearish, we need to get this scenario, which we will try. Okay? So maybe we will try this one. We will see. I don't know. Sean, problem is, according to my backtests, forward tests, my losses, when we have like really small gap, like really couple of points gap on SPX, or we don't have gap at all, most of the time I am on ES, not on NQ, because once again, ES and NQ can be decoupled, right? Most of the time on ES, this will mean that IM session will be chop, like consolidation. Let me read the chat. Maybe I missed something. I'm planning to do yes, 100 take Monday, Asia high. Interesting, we will see. I can be wrong once again. It's consolidation right now. Pre-FOMC price action. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, no reason to talk about what already happened. Exactly. We want to think about the future. So we're trying to distract ourselves, right? Long today, maybe. I'm not going to even argue about this. If NQ turns bullish, let's long this. Just need to be in sync, right? That scenario on yes is where we're gonna be bearish. That's it. Hello. Pasha, did you answer my question? How is your trading? Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? You wasn't. Okay, that's actually nice. You follow your rules and plan, right? Nice. On long, $500, $550. When I added to my position, I reduced risk. It was less than 600, I believe. Because I remember I added to position and moved my stop loss higher. On Apex Eval, I'm risking 500, maybe maybe $600. Idea is to make 1.5 or 2R. We actually made 2R. 73.96. Let me see. 73.96. Let me see. I guess I know why, but let me measure again. What do you think about this 73.81? Isn't that ridiculous? Insane, right? So maybe 7,400. But this major low, damn, what is going on? Look how yesterday, sorry guys, we were trying to short reaction from equilibrium, this move down, failed. We tried to short here again, reaction from equilibrium again, see this perfect week. Damn. In real time, it was nice opportunities. But happy we longed, so we didn't miss this trade as well. So talking about SPX, for people who trade SPX, what do you think about 73.81? This major low, look at these triple lows, what the heck? We're gonna open some, with really small gap, 74.20 around so. Ay. In order to find SPX, your task is to write SPX. Make sure you have all here. Oops. All here. First one is your option. It's free one, by the way. So, Mike, you think they were building liquidity, which was our original plan, building liquidity for FOMC. You know what will be funny? If they really were trying to build liquidity, but they will blast at FOMC, all the way down to the moon. It will be so funny. You were watching the triple loss. I was trading this. I got cooked yesterday just looking for this equal loss. I was like, Tom, what is going on? Yeah, they trying to build liquidity. I'm not going to argue about this because it was our original plan. But what will be funny, guys? I don't want to see this, but what will be funny, what will be funny to see if it's gonna be just all the way up. Yeah, today is FOMC. Yeah, we're gonna be careful today. We're not going to take shit setups as we did yesterday. My goal, to get life with stupidity, not to take stupid trades. No, I mean, do you have like data with TradingView? Like, do you pay $7 for this? It's like like data for CME, I guess, or $8. I don't remember, $7 or $8. Yes, Sean, exactly. Nice mindset. Oh, it's already $9.99. Wow, price went up. It used to be, I believe, like $5. They increased the price to $7 or $8. Right now, it's almost $10. Hey, inflation. I mean, I understand, but Daniel, I will reply your message later. Let me mark send it because I will forget to reply. I need to send you message anyway after stream. You think it's gonna see previous daily high level? You know, maybe. ES still bullish in my opinion. In Q needs to turn bullish so we can long in Q. Or ES needs to turn bearish so we will short ES. These lows, it calls ICT kill zones and pivots. Free indicator. I need to update, but if I'm going to update, it's gonna reset my settings, which I don't like. Here's a link in the chat. I'm looking for selling. Like, tell me, like, Dasha, it's wrong, like, idea. It's bad idea. Wait for FOMC. Guys, like, in case you see, like, I'm about to take, like, really shit setup, remind me, like, Dasha, it's FOMC. Like, chill, calm down. You sure you want to take it? Kill zones and pivots. Okay, let's talk about settings. You can take screenshot. I can scroll, but you can watch in replay, okay? This one. This one. This one. And this one. That's it. Nothing in here, by the way. Oh, you're very welcome. Not a problem. Not a problem. Exactly. Risk what you're willing to lose. What, like, risk amounts that you can afford to lose. That's exactly right. Nice mindset. I like it. FOMC at 2 p.m. Eastern time. In like 4.5 hours. By the way. How many people we have? So I don't need to repeat this. Okay. Guys, I posted new lesson on my website this morning. So if you go on my website, funded.now, click Learn section, Lesson Library. You will see new lesson here. My favorite lesson. Order blocks. In other words, changing the state of delivery. Also, you'll find lesson about SPX, how we trade SPX. Guys, I swear you're gonna like this. You will find profitability with this strategy. Just try, just read. But guys, order block lesson is here. 2 different ways to use order blocks, because sometimes we have huge sequence of up close candles or down close candles. Obviously, we cannot use this. Sometimes people ask me, like, why, Dasha, you do not include weeks for your order block? Other people ask me, like, why you included weeks? Yeah, I downloaded Lucid app, by the way. So we have 2 different ways to use order block. It's a sequence of last up close candles or down close candles before reversal. And the very first candle is a top higher from level. So guys, read the lesson about order block. I hope it's gonna answer your question about order block. What is OB? How to find right order block? And so on. So I provided examples. I explained why sometimes you're gonna use wicks. Sometimes you're gonna only use bodies. Invalidation. See, like, we got huge sequence of down close candles. Obviously, we cannot use the sequence as order block because we're gonna miss the move. So we're gonna use those sequence that touch higher from level. Let's say this second candle, like 1, 2, touch higher from level, so we use only 2 candles. At this example, only one down close candle touch higher from level. We're gonna use this candle. I just sent link, like, just not like right now. Yeah, video will be posted in like really soon with more examples. So guys, lesson about order block is out. Order blocks, fair value gaps, and SPX gap. Next lesson is gonna be about standard deviation projections. 5 different ways to use fib retracement tool. I did not include OT, optimal trade entry, so we're talking about projections only. And I'm going to show you 5 different ways to use them. I know, like, most people know only about manipulation leg, but you're missing lots of different options, good options. So once again, we use standard deviation. Like, what the reason of using standard deviation? Targets. So we can use standard deviation as our target or potential zone of retracement reversal. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna post a lesson about standard deviation projection. Kind of long lesson, be ready for this, but you're gonna like it. What about 73.65? Long above daily open, sounds good. To weekly open, because see how we're respecting weekly open so far? Can be potential resistance area. So technically you're talking about long here, but make sure to take some profit here. I don't have PDF format yet. I did not convert it to PDF yet. So once again, guys, I sent link in the chat for a lesson about OB. We had like a lecture about this 2 weeks ago on stream. By the end of stream, don't remember like which stream it was, but now we have lecture. I'm in Boca, East Coast of Florida, East Side. Tampa is like 5 hours away from me. Hello, guys. You in Boca? Guys, if you live in Boca, West Palm Beach, Delray Beach, Boynton Beach, for example, today I go to my trading friend, by the way, to Boynton Beach after stream. Feel free to text me, guys. We can go to lunch. We can go for lunch, for breakfast if you want. Like, I'm always open for this. Thank you. Yeah, fine. I saw that. Did you try to contact support? That's strange. Why cannot order rejected? I never had this kind of issue. I'm not fan of Tampa because of traffic, crazy people there. They have like live support. You know, like, not just Spectre, so I already, like, met people like that. So we trade together, like, why not? Still alive. Especially if we go to public place, like, nothing's gonna happen. So breaking below, once again, breaking below this higher low will mean we have opportunity to short. Good morning, good morning. Market is open. I'm gonna open my financial juice. Forgot what I wanted to say. Because sometimes we need to read news, unfortunately or fortunately. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? How is your morning? How is your Tuesday so far? Not Tuesday, Wednesday so far. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Time flies. So if you missed, like, I said, ES looks slightly bullish on medium time frame. Once again, on high time frame, definitely bearish trend. Oops, sorry. On medium time frame, I'm waiting for ES to turn bearish on medium time frame as well, because NQ is bearish now. In order to turn bearish, I want to see break below this higher low over here and immediate reaction. So it's gonna look like that. We're staying below daily open. 5-minute OB, we're trying to short all the way down to previous weekly level and 7,400. That's the plan for shorts. Only if we're gonna break this higher low. If it's gonna fail to happen, we're gonna wait for NQ to turn bullish. So basically, strong break above daily open. That's my plan for now. So I'm gonna take this easy. Today is FOMC. It's gonna be probably choppy, but let's see what we have over here. Oh, we have good gap. Guys, we have good gap to work with, which is nice. I love it. It's already like nice for us. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this 50, so because it overlaps. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Nice reaction from New York midnight open. Music is not okay. It's super annoying for my husband as well. I just keep promising to change the music. I keep forgetting about this, guys. I'm so sorry. I know, like, it's my fault. Strong reaction from New York midnight open so far. Where's New York midnight open on? Oh, we are very above this level. So it doesn't, yeah, right? Yes, 1-to-1 probably is the best option, especially when we have like red folder news during PM session. You done your hair? Not really. I used mask this morning, so maybe it's better. I need to brush them actually, but no, my hair gonna be like in like 3 weeks probably. Oh, I didn't even schedule appointment. I wanted to schedule, forgot. Thank you so much. I always appreciate when people like notice something, any changes in me. Not many do this actually. I remember when I upgraded my hair color, and I didn't say this, like people like, Dasha, what happened with your hair? I was like, damn people, I love it. You know, guys, I like when you like saying something about my nails, about my hair. It's funny, I know, but I love this. Just say this more. What? Listen to me, guys. I never promote like to buy something. Even if I sell something, no. Listen to me. You don't need to buy anything. Go on my lesson section. I'm gonna post lessons every single day. After this, I'm gonna put them in proper order. So I'm posting like lesson, like the most common questions about order blocks, fair value gaps, RTH gaps. So I decided to post these lessons. But in near future, I'm gonna put them in order, like from beginner to advanced. Lovely long. Let's switch into. So, you know, we got 2-minute order block just now over here. You can try, I mean, we may look for longs above daily open on ES to aim for weekly open. I wouldn't say it's such a lively long yet. It's really trying to be like that, but not yet. No, guys, fake profiles. Usually you send me message, I reply. I'm never gonna text you first because I have over than 5,000 like members. Like imagine I'm going to text people. No, I don't do this. I always ask this, how are you here on stream? So you can say like something happened, like Dasha, I want you to to hear your opinion, your advice, and so on. At this point, like I'm here to help. But I'm never going to send you a message asking like how is your trading going? I do trade FOMC days, but if it's gonna be but like IM session, I'm not gonna trade. But I have a plan. Look at this reaction from OT so far. I don't like it. I mean, looks ugly. I only message MMXM, but it's on Twitter. I don't chat with him in Discord. Daniel, I saw your question yesterday, completely forgot to answer. I don't use 79%. Not short yet, no. Not yet. No, Maxim, I believe he based in China, if I'm not mistaken. Just good friend. SPX? This one. All first one. SPCFD. Yeah, it's like the deep discount levels. We don't really need them. Oh, nice. My husband always put AC at like so damn cold. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. Guys, gonna come back just in a moment. Don't make stupid mistakes this couple of minutes. Market still bearish. I mean, not bearish. Still respecting New York midnight open, but below daily open. Just in case I'm not going to come back in 2 minutes. No need to call 911 long above daily open, but I will come back in 2. Okay. I'm from Belarus. I don't live there, by the way. So just trying to catch up with chat. Share advice to full board. No, wrong advice. I always say, guys, how many contracts I'm going to trade. I always say like how much I'm willing to lose in like certain trade. Just listen to me. Because I always say, guys, if you like for some magical reason want to copy me, which I don't recommend, try to copy with exactly the same contract size. If I risk $200, it doesn't mean like you need to risk $5,000, okay? If I risk $200, there is reason behind this, right? Yes, Michael said best shorts above New York midnight open, longs below New York midnight open. I like once again, I don't agree with this, but this is how once again you build your edge. Just try to see what works better for you. I have video about New York midnight open on my YouTube channel. Watch this and you'll understand why I want to long above New York midnight open and want short below New York midnight open. So that's my approach. So once again, I'm going to repeat this again. Don't listen people on internet. Try to see if it works for you, then trade this. If it doesn't work for you, try to adjust this, modify this. So once again, yes, Michael gives us nice advices. We listen to them, but once again, it doesn't mean like we need to trade this. Try, test. If it works, nice. If it doesn't work, don't trade this. First action shit right now. So yeah, let's be careful, guys. FOMC today. Yes, try to paper trade to overcome fear. But once again, fear comes like why we have fear to execute? Because we are not comfortable with this entry. We're not comfortable with this setup. But why we're not comfortable with this setup? Simply because we don't have enough data. We don't have model that we trust. Is this model not backtested, not forward tested? That's why you have this fear. You're not like believe in your own skills. That's bad. It's not trading. In order to overcome this, you need to paper trade, but most important part, backtest. If people keep saying backtest is BS, just say, F you guys, I don't want to listen to you. Backtest is very important because this is how we build in the model. Forward testing is important because we're trying to see this in real time. We don't need to execute when we forward test. We want to just observe. We need to have screen time, right? Because screen time also helps us with patience, discipline, and so on. Edgeful. Oh, yeah, of course. I have Edgeful. Like, guys, if you go on X, where lots of smart people keep saying, like, you know, backtest is such a BS. I don't understand people who recommend to backtest, wasting of time. Say just like, guys, F you. Like, F you. Don't listen to them. Without backtest, you're gonna be cooked like 199%. Why I keep saying forward testing, guys? That's important as well. Listen to me. When we backtest, we don't care about how long we're gonna sit in this trade because we can like make speed 2x, 3x. It's gonna be fast delivery, right? So with backtest, we just trying to collect data. With forward test, we're trying to be patient because it's not gonna be that fast. You have to actually sit and wait. That's why forward testing is important, which will help us to build discipline and patience, right? That's why we don't want to skip this part. We don't want to immediately switch to live trading after backtesting. No, we're gonna forward test same way as we did with backtest, right? Right? That guy is blaming. I was like, Tom, what? You know what? I want to say, like, what is going on? Hey, Michael. In options, we have saying if you want to backtest results, you try the fucking backtest. Yes. On backtest, we don't need to feel emotions. We don't need to have this. By the way, MMXM, hello, how are you? Didn't chat with you this morning. Oh, actually chat with you. Yeah. We need to have screen time and we're collecting data. That's the main reason of backtesting, to collect data. After we collected data, we switch into forward testing. Forward testing, we work with live candles. We work with real-time candles. We're gonna forward test to collect same data. But at this point, we're trying to see this in real time. Once we collect the data from forward testing, try on paper money account, an evaluation account. Don't start with your live account though. Okay. Good morning, guys. My bias today. I'm gonna switch on hourly chart to show you. I already deleted. See, I highlighted this low. This low is higher low. Like overall picture on NQ looks 10 times more bearish than on ES. So ES trying to fight right now on medium time frame between bullish and bearish structure. On medium time frame, on high time frame, we're also bearish. But as you can see, keep making failure swings, which means it's really trying to push higher. We have FOMC today. So my ideal scenario, so I want to see market in sync now. We're breaking below this higher low. Sorry guys, I'm a left-handed person trying to write with right hand. We're breaking below this low, retracing back to daily open, but we're staying below this level. Trying to react with 5-minute order block. Shorting all the way down to previous weekly level. That's only scenario where I want to short. Because we're gonna break higher low, it's gonna break failure swing, retracing back to equilibrium daily open, reaction, we in short. Yes, Alan, exactly right. I know, guys, I'm using like left hand to drive, to write something, but I use my right hand to eat, to hold this one. What else? I'm holding my phone in my left hand. I'm drinking using left hand because it's impossible to drink like that. It's bad, like that. Yeah, way easier. But I eat using right hand. How it works. And I cut, guys, like I use scissors or like knife. I cut using right hand as well because it's impossible to use left hand for this. Barbara, no way. Why you cannot buy Lucid? Like you or me? I have fund accounts with Lucid. I need them. You can buy, just log in, you can buy this. Daily open is candle open. Daily candle open. 6 p.m. open. While New York midnight open is 12 a.m. open. True day open. Switch from like let's say July 28 to 29. So 12 a.m. open, midnight open. I eat with my mouse as well. I like this good one. Let's see if it's gonna break this higher low. We'll offer our scenario here. Nice. What time is this now? 9:50. We have marker here. Oh, interesting. I mostly trade ES nowadays because risk is better there. Okay, here's our scenario, guys. That's exactly what we want to see. Let's see if we're gonna retrace one back to this range. I will try to short. We'll aim for previous weekly level and 17,400. Yes, you could drop like that yesterday. Just saying. I'm gonna bring my jacket 1 second. It's so cold. Okay, let's wait for the retracement and I will try to short. We'll try to short to aim for previous weekly low level. Oh, way better. My ideal scenario retracement now up, and I will try to short to aim for previous weekly level and flat candle. It's not gym outfit. I mean, just jacket. Gym outfit was yesterday. In Instagram. Okay. Plan. Ting, 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 ting. We'll try this one. No, New York midnight open. It's 12 a.m. open. 12 a.m. Eastern time. Nice reaction from OT. Didn't really happen. Didn't really take anything here. Okay. So we broke below higher low. My scenario is activated. Just need to be patient and wait for pullback. Have issue regarding bias. Bias is really like specific topic to talk about because we can treat ICT, but our bias can be completely different. So I will talk about bias maybe in upcoming weeks, but don't want to spend time right now on this because let's focus on trading. It's like long topic to talk about. What was the problem to trap like that yesterday? Excuse me? Oops. Not this one. Where is the retracement? Nice question. $50-minute OBs. This one, right? I didn't want to short until we break this higher low to invalidate the structure. So just trying to follow the plan. We have a plan. Just need to trade this plan now. Disrespectful. It's okay. Come on, don't go without us, please. Thank you, thank you. Oh, God. Been root, right? It's fine. At least I'm happy like we root dropping. This had to happen yesterday, but once again, we anticipate to get manipulation before FOMC, so probably that's fine. Yeah, 3 minutes left. We will trade silver bullet. Not in a rush. How many contracts? I don't know. Depends on stop loss. I don't know yet. Depends how far we're gonna trace. If it's gonna be 10-point stop loss, we will trade 5 micros. I don't know for now. No plan for contracts yet. Risk is like $250-300. I use TradingView Lightning funded accounts on TradeZella. They're still trying to build liquidity around this level. See 74.20, 74.18. Damn the trades, please. Can I ask? Of course. I'm here to help. 2.5 hour done. Nice. Good job, guys. Still nothing from me. Plan is activated, so we want to see break below, retracement short. Let's see if it's gonna play out. New Lucid account. Yeah, sure. Lucid this week launched new plan. It calls Lucid Daily, which means you have daily payouts. I'm gonna talk about 50K because I always say like go with 50K is the most optimal option. So you can request payout above the buffer. Minimum payout is $500, if I'm not mistaken. So you need to be net positive after, let's say you got first payout. In order to get second payout, you need to be net positive this cycle, at least $1. Second, maximum you can make a day on your 50K Lucid Daily account is $8,000. It's not your payout cap. It's your maximum you can make during like one day. But there is but, of course. It sounds nice, like it's pretty much same to take profit trader, but there is a but. It also intraday trading drawdown on funded, but when you're trying to trade evaluation, you can pick between end of the day and intraday. My tip for you, go with intraday because it's cheaper. You're gonna have intraday on funded anyway, so go with intraday on evaluation. But once again, no matter how many accounts you have, 5 funded or just one funded account, maximum you can take from these accounts or account is $15,000. After this, you're gonna be moved to live account, which is important to keep in mind, guys. Maximum you can make from the same funded account, take payout, is $15,000. It can be just from one single funded account, it can be from 5 total. It doesn't matter. Once you got $15,000 payout, you're gonna be moved to live. So, I wouldn't say it's better than take profit trader. It's not. So with Lucid, best plan to go with is flex and only flex. It's my favorite plan, by the way. With daily, if you really want to try daily payouts, go with take profit trader or TradingView select daily. I read rules about. I didn't get like daily evaluations from Lucid. I will do some giveaways of these accounts, but once again, it's not better than TPT or TradingView, my opinion. Flex to flex, right? Just my honest opinion about Lucid Daily. So doesn't make any sense to get this. Get flex, or if you want to get daily payouts, go with TPT. Or if you want to have end of the day drawdown on funded, go with select. That's it. Pro accounts, nice. Yeah. With Lucid, go with flex. That's my opinion with TPT. Like, go with TPT 50K accounts. They have only one plan. With Tradify, go with Select. That's it. Once again, you can customize your Lucid daily evaluation, but its evaluation, keep this in mind. It's not going to be moved to funded as well. You can pick between daily loss limit on evaluation, no daily loss limit on evaluation, between end of the day drawdown or intraday. But once again, if you go with intraday trading drawdown on evaluation, and yes, we have a daily loss limit, it's gonna be super cheap. So get this, because you're gonna have intraday trading drawdown on funded anyway. Just to blow, just different price for evaluation. Yeah, I knew you were gonna say this. See, I can read minds. That's why I said that. You still think it's gonna build liquidity level for later? We will see. No interest in longs above, in shorts above New York midnight open. That's why I highlighted this here. Above New York midnight open, not valid. Let's see. I'm gonna do it for now. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. On Lucid, on Tradify Lightning Funded, guys, I trade Lightning Funded 150K account. So your consistency gonna change with your payouts, 20, 25, 30% consistency rule. So I always recommend to risk not more than $400. And my base hit on these accounts between $500 and $600. So once I made this money, I just lock accounts, just cut my my trade completely, because consistency rule, just try to be consistent with your P&L. And that's it. Even if like I'm in a nice trade and I see like, okay, I'm up, like, let's say $500, I will start closing the trade. Just trade evaluation, you think so? We will see. We will see. Backtesting is good and it's the best. It's my opinion. Okay. You think I need to trade the Vals today? I don't know. I want to trade TPT today. So my idea is to get pullback now. That's my plan, what I'm waiting for. We broke below higher low. We get some pullback to New York midnight open. Price sweeping this level, rejects hard from New York midnight open. I will try to short exactly same like scenarios we got yesterday to aim for previous weekly level. Let's say this failed to be to happen. I'm gonna wait for. I'm gonna look how we're gonna react from New York midnight open. If it's gonna be strong displacement above, forget about shorts. Leave this for FOMC. We should bounce higher. Low resistance liquidity run, weekly open will be TP. But once again, I want to see how we're gonna play with New York midnight open first. It's gonna be sweep, so we can try to trade lower, or it's gonna be big displacement above this level. So we will try to long this. Look at this ugly drawings. Sorry about that. You got the point. Like, yes, I wasn't mad. I was sad. I was sad. I wasn't mad yesterday. Yeah, I backtest on TradeZella. Sad mad, yeah. I didn't hide this. I really said I'm disappointed. Blueguard, no, never. Never ever. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. No, I don't trade 1 minute chart. I see like lots of bad reviews about this prop firm as well. That's why I'm like kind of question this. Let's see if it's gonna be nice 2 minute displacement. We'll try to scalp. With stop loss above 74.45. Let me see 20 minute chart. Looking for scalp probably here. With stop loss at 74.45 and target will be I like the shorts. This one. And partial here. Let's see. Looks good. How many contracts I need to trade? I don't know yet. Let's see if it displays. I will try this one. Stop loss. I know, like stop loss probably above. I don't know yet. I think I will put this above 50% of previous candle, 30-minute candle. Kind of like it. I think we should try. How big stop loss? 15 points. Like 4 micros. I think so. I think so. It will be a nice option. Let's see. I might try this one with 4 contracts. Maybe a bit more if I'm gonna induce risk at 42. Nominance FOMC need to be careful, but I'm gonna try to only take profit trader accounts. It's only accounts that have bigger balance. I like this one. I want to try. Okay, let's switch. We'll aim for, I don't know, like 73.81 on SPX. And the sell side. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Messed up with ATM strategy. Had to cancel and open again. Only, guys, TPT. I'm not gonna trade my other accounts. Just TPT. Why? Simply because I have bigger balance there. That's it. Main reason. How many points I want to see? I know, maybe something like that. How many points are we? Like 10 points? Okay, we'll put partial later. Once again, only take profit trader. I'm not gonna trade like my Lucid or Tradify accounts because like those accounts like not that big as my TPT. So we'll take this kind of easy. Let me zoom. How many points I want to see? 4 points lower. It's at 14. Okay. Guys, partial at 74.14 because it's major low on SPX. Using SPX for trades. For trade today, aiming for major low at 74.14.25. It's approximately there. Next TP is 4 points lower. Guys, see how I'm adjusting because I don't know like how to translate this. Sell side is less. Fuck, I like this kind of fast trades. Let's move to break even. I can't hear you. Gonna check one contract off here, I guess. Playing games here. Oh, whatever. Quick W. W, guys, $500 locked. Easy. Easy. W in the chat. Patience, discipline. SPX. Fuck. Good. This drop had to happen yesterday. Nice. Kill it. Positive on my TPT this week. Not big, like, I guess I'm up $600 on TPT this week. If I want to count yesterday loss. So yeah. Nice. Quick delivery. I like this kind of trades. Look at SPX. Damn. Can we have this kind of trades done every single day? I was thinking, guys, it's gonna be shit, but it's not shit. Plan to trade the plan. Still have flat candle over. Still refuse to believe like how it felt to take this level yesterday. Let's just observe how we're gonna play with previous weekly level. It left room to go lower. Another 10 points lower, but I was happy with profit. Guys, giveaway later. Maybe we're gonna get second trade. Another day, another example. Guys, by the way, did you notice? 2 weeks in a row, we get in W when we use SPX. Yesterday, we did not use SPX for shorts. We got cooked, but we got long on SPX like that, and we killed this. Today, we got a short like that on Monday. We killed this. Killed this here, killed this here. Only using SPX chart, nothing else. That's, guys, if you trade ES, like, that's all you need. I truly believe, that's my opinion. One candle delivery, nice. Strong reaction from OT. Major low lower, lots of lows, like lots of liquidity lower, like no F way it's gonna fail. It had to take this yesterday. That's why I was sad. Like, I'm not really sad about Like losses, I was trying to short twice yesterday to these levels. But it's fine, you know? Sometimes it's gonna be like that. Sure. So guys, first, I don't sell any courses. I swear right now, guys. I share with people everything I know. I'm not trying to hide something, like I don't have secret strategy behind my trades. But if you go on my site, funded.now/lessons, I'm gonna post link in the chat. Everything like gonna be posted here. Lesson about SPX already here. Entire like strategy for $0, 0 cents, profitable strategies, 2 weeks in a row. I believe we made like over than $10,000 total trading just SPX, 2 weeks in a row. Only like using SPX, we got only W's. Last week we got, I don't remember how many trades, like 8 trades, all W's using SPX. We were green every single day last week using SPX. Actually, we green this week every single day using SPX as well. Ignoring yesterday shorts, it wasn't based on SPX. Damn, we killed. Yes, Frank, you're right. Let me switch on 1 minute chart real quick. Nice, nice. So far we got like nice here, right? Closed, not really sniper exit, but pretty much solid one. Okay, today SPX helped us a lot, saved us again. Which day is that? Today is Wednesday. Did I say it's Tuesday? Let me move here. Damn, guys. Goal is to get live account with Take Profit Trader. That's the biggest goal for me. I traded from... Oh, that's OT, not of gap. It's like overall OT of this move up. It works same way. I explained this about OT invalidation in my OT video. Yeah, you need to enter gear every single day. And it's not from old gap. Guys, did you watch video about OT retracement? Same works with break of OT. Remember this? 70.5% broken, reaction, order block, entry. That works same way. Remember I said like for this SPX strategy is nice for options traders because you can trade SPX itself. Unfortunately, we have to convert this. Good morning, Bella. How are you? I need to keep in mind we have room to go lower. The question is continuation. What's the high of this candle? Yeah, these days risk reward like 1.5, sometimes even 1 hour. So we don't really pay attention to risk reward nowadays simply because like this range on high time frame consolidation, sometimes yes, it's like 4 hour trades, but sometimes it's gonna be like, and you know, like that. So I don't really pay attention to risk reward nowadays. I pay attention to risk, how much I'm risking. That's it. It left room to go lower. I'm thinking like what they want to do now. Also, if you want to like explain the short just using ES chart below 10 AM open, break below 10 AM open, you're short. My average 1.5. It used to be 2R like all the time. It's 1.5 now. OB 7420 on SPX? You want to see reactions there? Okay, got it. They may leave this 7400 for FOMC. I will not be surprised. Okay, let's wait for maybe. My win rate 68%. 68% according to 1 year data. 12 months, 68%. 99% of the trades taken live on stream. 1% taken like on my own. It's like Asia, sometimes lunch, sometimes PM from my phone. I have 68% win rate strategy. 68, guys. Like goal ideally to have 70, so I'm gonna break this damn 60s resistance level. But yeah, I'm happy with this win rate. It's a good one. I mean, of course, it could be better, but I'm going to repeat again. Show me at least one trader, intraday keyword. Listen, intraday trader who has more than 75% win rate. Do we have this kind of intraday traders with more than 75% win rate? I don't think so. We just close short. Pretty much at the bottom so far. Well, who trades live? I'm gonna make a note as well. Show me trader. I mean, I still refuse to use these intraday traders with 75% win rate, not live traders, like overall. But show me a live trader who trades on YouTube who has more than 70. I don't know. This kind of people. I'm from 9 to 11 here. No one. Right. No one. No one. Here's possibly a move that I wanted to see. In Q approaching previous daily level, once again, look at this reaction from 50% of monthly week. 68. I have 68, guys. Like, you can just even calculate this, because I take 99% of my trades live, and you can calculate for 1 year, 12 months as well, like if you don't trust me. I have settings of my indicators in Discord. MMXM, may I ask you to send the Discord link, please? We will take 7400. No matter what, we must take this level. The question, when? Ideally, soon, like before FOMC. Thank you so much. My free Discord, you will find chart settings here, so all indicators settings are there. 74.20. Oh, you shorted from there. Nice. I got in shorts on SPX from 73.93. But I'm happy we got 20 points around, so I have no complaints about that. Yeah, we just took previous daily level. You need to keep in mind ES left room to go lower. I don't care about NQ. We must take 7400, 73.98 to be more specific. Let me see, just in case I decide to hold. We could get 2.7. 10 points differences. Even if I decide to hold with one micro, it's 50 bucks. 50 bucks difference. Not a big deal. Here we are. That's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Needs to go lower. Not done yet. It's fine. MXM, did I say this? God, Dasha. When trading? Guys, I enjoy listening to people with Russian accent. It sounds so nice. OT, let me show you. Sure. This range. Yesterday low, yesterday high. Entire range. This one is your OT. It's not gap, it's range. See? Yesterday low, yesterday high. That's your range. Like entire move up we got yesterday. Yes. So basically we traded below equilibrium to bottom of this range. Needs another leg down, guys. Didn't see this level. Yeah. Alan, are you here? Your wife has Russian accent. I don't remember if you said this before. Yeah, today is nice price action. Cannot say same for yesterday price action. Ah, okay, got it. She doesn't have Russian accent. But still, she's Slavic, so. I don't know. Guys, I don't consider myself like amazing trader. Lesson about SPX. I'm gonna send link. Link in the chat for SPX. Gifts. Let's see. They will drop more, guys, on yes. The question from where? I don't mind maybe to take another trade. Just need to get a nice setup for this. Maybe this one wasn't bad. This one wasn't bad, but once again, also questionable. Look how we broke below higher low and dropped. Textbook scenario. If you use market structure, guys, classic smart money concept. Nice one. What MMXM said. Bye, man. Hey! Talk about flat candle. Guys, does anyone know? Question for you while we're waiting for second trade. Who knows why it's important to keep our eyes on flat candles? In other words, wickless candle. Candles that does not have wick. What's the importance? What's the importance between flat candle? Why why price tends to retrace back down or up when we have candle without wick? Because there is no manipulation. Exactly right. So we have open, high, open, low, high, close, open, high, low, close, right? So this high or low, when we have open, high, this move up creates wick. So we call this accumulation, manipulation, range expansion, in other words, distribution. Distribution forms body of the candle. So we want to see price trades above the open of the candle, forms high or low the wick, depends which offers manipulations and moves down or up to form a high or low the wick of the candle. So at this point, we didn't get manipulation. So price tends to retrace there later to offer this so-called delayed manipulation. We call this delayed manipulation. If you go on weekly chart, you will see that this candle stayed flat. We don't have candle. Offer at open, immediate delivery higher up, and that's it. Nothing happened. So we anticipate to get delayed manipulation, right? At the same time, This can be our Lumi level, so possible change in the state of delivery. See how price went up, failed to take all-time high here, and rejected down again. So in order to confirm reaction, we need to have change in the state of delivery. So in order to get change in the state of delivery, we want to get the closure below or above sequence of candles. At this point, it's going to be 2 up-close candles, right? So we want to see either sweep of this level to continue going higher, or closure on weekly chart below this level to continue going lower, which most likely going to happen actually. So 73.98 will be taken today. I want to say like 100%, but I will say 99%. I will give this some time. It will take this level. 99%. Ideally today. For NQ, I know. I didn't try. Edmund. We execute using 2-minute chart on SPX. Using 2-minute chart when we trade SPX. I guess personal preference. I'm okay to take another trade. Just gonna wait. Even if it's gonna pump now, I want to see lower later. Oh, yeah, I said already like a couple of times. Not 110. Yeah, I don't want to predict. I don't want to predict. You need another leg down. Let's see from where I would like to get second trade. I know, like ideally, I want to offer fake. I want to see fake move up, and maybe then lower. Maybe FOMC will deliver us. I wouldn't mind to get a test of 10M open again. Need to go down. Come on. It was 1 tick away, but it wasn't 1 tick away. It was 2 ticks away because we must sweep this level. Chris was here yesterday. I chatted with him yesterday. He said he's gonna spend his time on studying something. So maybe he's trying to study something today. He decided to skip IM session, which may be smart. Average daily range, I don't use this. I don't use average daily range at all. We don't pay attention. I mean, I don't pay attention to this. You know, like this year so unpredictable. So I don't know if it makes sense to keep my eyes on this. We have kind of big ranges for summer price action. Can you check? Sure. 74.45. You want to see there? Okay, let's check. Where's my volume indicators? 1 second. Where's my volume indicator? I deleted. One second. You said 74. I don't see a lot there. 1 second. Don't pay attention to this, guys. I need to check sentiment. 1 second. If SPX will decide to pump, it's gonna be 74.60 most likely. I don't see anything at 74.40. It's gonna be 74.60 most likely. That's what I see so far. This one is just OT of this range. From this low from yesterday to this high. If you watch my video about OT retracement, you know, like it's same as with RTH gap. Once we break below 70.5% of OT, price tends to go to opposite liquidity level. I talk about this a lot in my video about OT on my streams, so idea was just basically this. Same as RTH gap OT. If it will decide to pump like hard today, like doing FOMC, SPX probably will sweep 74.60. This indicator, sure. I need to change settings. 1 second. I had template. I deleted this. Like, no way, Dasha. You deleted this. Oh, Dasha. Sweep, not this. Oh, it's here. Is this one? No, not this one. Not this one. I need to delete this at all. How so? Well, I don't have this indicator. I deleted settings for some magical reason. Why I did this? Okay, whatever. Where's my... Okay, let's do it again. I'm gonna show you settings. I need to remove some... Oh god, I need to change anything. That's settings for this indicator. I need only volume profile, sentiment area, buy or sell sentiment area, and that's it. I don't want to pay lots of attention because I know like ICT not fan of volume profile, but like people who watch me for a long time, they know I use this. Sometimes, so when buy or sell sentiment lines up with RTH gap, that's OT of RTH gap, that's always great confirmation. But I don't want to pay lots of attention to this now because I know like lots of ICT traders hate this. So don't want to like explain a lot about this, but I'm gonna share indicator. Like in case you want to use this. It's nice for buy or sell sentiment, but once again, if you watch me like for a long time, you know like I use this. Look at this buy sentiment here. Absolutely strong resistance. If it will bounce, so most likely will hit 74.60 during FOMC, but obviously not now. Trying to drop here. Well, I didn't mind to get re-entry, but once again, I don't like. It's kind of too low for me to re-enter. Yeah, all settings in Discord, yes. Oh yeah, good job. See, people use this, but I decided to like, don't show this anymore. Lots of questions, lots of like, why you like trade. It's just really hard to explain sometimes. I just keep this on my another screen and that's fine. Well, unfortunately for us, we didn't get continuation, which I wanted to see. We could hold obviously like our original trade, but once again, it's $50 difference, like not a big deal. Nice. Slip 73.98. I just sent the indicator link. For volume profile? Useless. I mean, maybe volume profile alone is useless. But when you're trying to combine with different stuff, it's really helpful. But once again, I'm not going to talk about this a lot because I expected to get comments like that. So just, you need to know, I use volume profile often. I just don't show this. People who watch me for like at least 6 months, they know this. Yeah, guys, I'm going to like force you to use SPX to trade. Yes, I will force you. Because damn, you're missing a lot. Oops. What I'm doing. Next up on NQ, 27,300. Yeah, last target hit. This trade was nice simply because we never weren't drawdown, which is cool. Be adjust on, so basically it's adjust to new contract changes. So yes, it's on for me. I'm gonna show you now. It's always on. While looking for NQ to drop to 27,300, we inside monthly fair value gap. This range of this fair value gap dump huge, right? So at this point, what we expect to get? Our task is to find something small inside this monthly fair value gap. Like something significant but small. Inside monthly fair value gap, we have 2 weekly fair value gaps, right? If you go on weekly chart. So I highlighted these 2 weekly fair values just as a one fair value gap. So we need to trade into this 27,300, I guess, today. Michael, hello, we killed this today. You got cooked yesterday, but we killed this today. On shorts and yes. How are you? Did you trade something today? We just ask about you, and like here you are. You're here. This smile means he shorted, guys. He shorted, let me guess, from here. Usually this smile means like, yeah, he got better entries than us. So guys, stop hate. You know, like I don't respect this. We're here to help each other. That's the most important part. If you hate someone, keep this. Okay, we don't want to know about this. The most important part, if you want to build like nice community, trading community where people help each other, no hate. I don't like it. I don't respect this. Once again, no hate. No drama here. We're here to trade and be profitable traders. That's it. We're here not to disrespect other people. That's the most important part. I'm not your mom to say this. Come on. We only hate sugar. Exactly. I don't eat sugar. And you know, guys, I realized like I don't want to eat sugar. When I see like cakes that I used to eat a lot because I love them, I don't even want to eat them anymore. Yeah, it was damn hot, so I have to put jacket here. It was cold. Right now it's hot. Maybe I will take this off. Drawn in Q, 27,300. 200 points lower, like there. Yeah, I guess it's like 3 weeks. It takes 3 weeks to realize like, okay, I'm not addicted anymore. I usually don't block people. I'm just trying to keep this clear. Like, guys, why are you trying to hate? No reason for this hate. Spend your energy and your time on something useful. On yourself, on your health, on your like trading, on your education, on your development. No hate, no fun? Nope. Behave, please. You don't need good risk reward for 20% consistency. You need to have base hits. Well, I don't drink like coffee with sugar, just milk and coffee. When I want to eat something sweet, yes, I buy like yogurts with like without sugar, but they flavor it. I mean, like there's like something like sugar free, you know, like I eat like yogurt. For example, I like to eat farmer cheese with yogurt and fruits. I eat fruits, by the way. I just don't like to eat white sugar. I believe you can replace white sugar with brown sugar. So why I actually stopped eating this? Because my face looked so bad. When I was eating sugar, lots of acne, like skin was just horrible quality. I don't eat like cakes. I don't eat chocolate. Sometimes my husband forced me to eat like dark chocolate, which is like, I hate it. I don't like use any creamers, any syrups for my coffee drinks. I try to avoid eating bread as well, like pasta. Drinking room. Oh, interesting. I know, Michael. I just don't like how it tastes. It's like, I believe my husband bought like 90% of cacao on this dark chocolate, but it's disgusting. It's good for brain, I know. Even good for skin, actually. But it's disgusting. Yeah, I know. My husband keeps saying same, but yeah. So, yeah, 70% and higher. 90% disgusting, guys. Like, it's just... I don't want to eat this. It's 72% now. He just gave me this. 72%. It is disgusting as well. Does it have sugar? I'm gonna search actually. This one. He forced me to eat this one all the time. He bought this and said like, it's good for your brain. Eat this. It's disgusting, guys. It's not sweet, by the way, though. It's just disgusting. Everything over 70% impossible to eat. Disgusting. I don't have coffee anymore. For the chocolate? From Costco, I'm gonna show you now. 1 second, I will send you. Costco. I will send link, you can buy this. Let's guess. Okay, I don't have. Oh, it says out of stock, but I guess you can find this. This one. I will send the link now in the chat. Just in case. I guess you can buy this in Target or maybe on Amazon. Can you please bring me some water? Just water. Beans? I bought 90% from them. It's disgusting. I have this at home. 90% disgusting. Can you bring me some water, please? Please. It's not sweet. Спасибо. My husband said no 3 times. So let's see what kind of reaction gonna be from this flat candle. It's from Costco. Here, cloned. You can hate Costco, but I love it. Yeah. Look at this reaction so far. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna bounce to 10 and open again. Plastic bottle, yeah. 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 Okay, guys, enter giveaway. So, yeah. Green flag. He also considers himself as green flag. Oh, that's funny. Set with core content. I don't have lesson about this yet, but I will. I didn't see your... Can you please copy and paste your question? I probably missed this. New lesson on my website, guys. If you go on funded.now, click Learn section, Lessons, Library. So new lesson posted today here about order block concept. How to pick right OB, what's the difference between like order block with including wicks and just bodies. 2 different types to use order blocks. New lessons about OB. I can hear myself. Can you please make it not that loud? So here's a new lesson. If you want to learn ICT concept, guys, go to this section, ICT, learn ICT videos. I created syllabus here for everyone who wants to learn ICT from foundation to advanced. So once you click this link, it will go like directed to ICT YouTube channel. You can leave notes under each video if you want. You can mark us like complete here. You can switch between different parts of this syllabus. If you just want to learn ICT from the very beginning, I highly recommend to use this syllabus because that's best syllabus I ever created. Structured for everyone who wants to learn ICT from the beginning. Today's giveaway. Today I'm doing giveaway for Tradify 50K select evaluations. I'm gonna post link again. So guys, enter link, click link, enter giveaway. Does ICT work? I mean, guys, everything works. Model I personally trade available on YouTube and on my website. You don't need book. Start with this. Did they actually send link? Start with the syllabus. Don't buy any books. Just go to this website, my website, and watch the syllabus video by video. Guys, lessons will be available every single day. We already have lesson about SPX. Please read this. Read this several times if you didn't understand from the after reading first time. Read this several times. Then lesson about fair value gap, where I talk about different type of fair value gaps, different type of retest of fair value gap, and so on. And today I post video about, not a video, lesson about order block. We will do giveaway in 5 minutes at 11. Probably it's gonna be a little bit choppy now. Build and load business liquidity run for later. In PDF, not yet. I need to like think how I can add PDF to this website. I will think about this, okay? Yeah, I did my best to structure this. Yes, exactly. ICT concept, it's not model itself, right? It's a concept. You want to build your model around this concept, using like small pieces from this. You don't need to know everything about ICT to be profitable ICT trader. I wasn't talking about 73.95, I was talking about 73.98. I believe NQ may drop more, just need to get some sort of displacement to 27,300. So let's see, right now it'd be choppy. Hope to get something. We absolutely destroyed this market today, as always. Overtrading, guys. First, if you want to be consistent trader, you need to have mental or personal daily loss limit. So basically, amount where you're willing to stop trading today. Like, like if I'm going to lose this amount, I'm done for the day. I know it's hard, but only this way will help you to overcome this. Second, okay, not second, it's only one. That's it. You need to have personal daily loss limit. Like minute when like, okay, here, I'm not gonna trade anymore. As I did yesterday. I took 2 losses in a row unfunded, done. After this, we got long on evaluations, W. Did I want to trade this unfunded? No. I hit my personal daily loss limit, done for today. How did I come up with this? Well, it was building liquidity level all week. Entire week, from Monday, it was leaving the equal lows on yes. Drawing liquidity on yes was absolutely obvious, triple lows. Like, no way we're gonna leave them. Previous weekly level seemed absolutely nice target because it was right where we got equal lows. Also, at the same time, SPX disrespected, if I can say so, OT of entire move up that we got yesterday. And I was like, okay, if no reaction from OT, so basically no reaction from OT, most likely we're gonna go lower. So previous weekly level was my main drawn liquidity, and flat candle at 73.98 was like for Anya, simply because it was weekless candle. At the same time, if you go on 15-minute chart or hourly chart, what we can see here, actually hourly it's gonna be better. See how price offered low here. Then this move down failed to take this low. So basically we got failure swing, higher low, price went higher, but it traced down again, offered another failure swing, another higher low, went higher again, failed to take this high. Considering classic understanding of market structure, it may try to go to opposite liquidity level. But at the same time, what we expect to get? If this higher low is gonna be broken, this failure swing is gonna be broken, we expect to get what? Shift in structure, break of structure to downside. And if you're gonna get break of structure to downside, we're gonna sweep major low at this point. So we're gonna get shift in structure. That's why. At the beginning of this stream, we decided we're gonna be bearish today if this failure swing is gonna be broken. Once it's broken, we will look for shorts. We followed the plan, right? It wasn't today, it was yesterday. Today we got W. Yesterday we got 2 losses in a row on funded and 1 win on evaluation. Today we got just 1 trade and it was W, nothing else. Exactly, we always follow our plan. That's the most important part. I was talking about this morning. Oh, no, we took short before. We already closed this. We got like 20 points or so. We took short here. Now flat. We shorted basically reaction from this higher low that was broken. Okay, let's do giveaway. Let me open. You can like just search on YouTube market structure. Break of structure. You will understand a lot. It's important. Win. Yes. W. Like, how to write this one in the chat. Yeah, win. Not going to say W. It's really hard to say. Well, guys, let's do giveaway and we're gonna be done for this session. Guys, we smart people, right? We're not going to trade FOMC. We smart people, right? We smart people. We're not going to trade like high volatility market, right? Yes. Good job. Good job. We smart people. We're not making stupid mistakes. Okay, let's run giveaway. You promised me, guys. Okay, first winner is. Your task is to say here in the chat something, okay? So we're waiting for 30 more seconds, and if he's not gonna respond, we're gonna pick another winner. Yeah, just prepare your popcorn, enjoy the show. Ow. Ow, excuse me? Okay, he's not here. We're gonna pick another winner. You full port? I never full port. I'm not that crazy yet. I am a guest of full porting, guys. Picking first winner, Igyan. By the way, guys, if you want to try Lucid daily new plan, you can use code limit to get 30% off. And I highly recommend to go with intraday trailing and daily loss limit because it's cheap. You can pass for 2 days, which is not that hard, right? Cheaper option to get intraday with daily loss limit because you're gonna have intraday trading drawdown anyway on funded, so no reason to like pay more. Let's see. Seems like no one is here. Guys, why you entered you and leaving? Guys, I would like to. Yeah, it's daily payouts. I mean, not better than TPT though, but nice one. If you enter giveaway and you're busy, like you're going to leave this team, it's fine. Please make sure to come back by 10:50 a.m. Okay, to claim your prize in case you're going to win. Again, no one. Okay, we're gonna pick first winner again. Oh, I see you. Okay, I see you. I see. I probably miss this. You're like 1 second left. Okay, nice recovery. Nice recovery. You want trade 550k select. By the way, you can trade with select and also get daily payouts. Once you pass your select evaluation, you can pick between 5-day payouts and daily payouts. 40% off, by the way. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI. Guys, don't do like that. Okay, seems like he's not here. Okay. Not here. Nice. Well, we pick a second winner again. He got muted. He was talking shit. Daniel, what happened? Oh, he cannot respond, right? He's here. Okay, he was muted. It's fine. Sorry about that. What did he say? I need to know. Daniel. I mean, he was muted. He cannot reply. Let me see. Here. Okay, okay. He won, guys. He was muted. He was muted. He simply cannot reply. It's fine. Guys, just try to avoid spamming so to avoid this kind of problem. Let me ask husband. I don't know what to do with this. Read. Asking my husband, guys. Let's decide. Sorry, guys. My husband said I need to give his. Okay, I'm gonna give him. Okay, I'm gonna give him. So, sorry, guys. I asked my husband, so I cannot argue. Okay, I'm gonna give this account to him. I asked my husband, he said, like, I have to give. So, decided. So, guys, if you're new on my channel, I'm running giveaways every single day. Okay, okay. So, player game. I'm running giveaways every single day. Once again, guys, if you didn't win today, you can try tomorrow. Tomorrow, let's do Tradify. Let's do Lightning Funded tomorrow. Straight to funded account tomorrow. Spammers deserve life too. I'm gonna give accounts. So, we absolutely killed this market today. Kind of choppy right now. Gonna probably chill and enjoy show at 2 p.m. Guys, thank you so much for likes and support today. Like, once again, quick W, like one and done, base hit, and that's nice. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? At 9 a.m. we will kill tomorrow. Let's pass accounts tomorrow on Apex. Let's see if we can actually pass with 3 trades. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, send me a message in Discord, Twitter, Instagram. Preferably, I guess, Twitter. I kind of like not lots of Discord request messages. Cannot reply all of them. Better Twitter, I guess. I will see most likely. So, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Wish you good luck. Don't trade during FOMC with smart people. We are avoiding making stupid mistakes, right? So, guys, thank you so much for everything today. Once again, we respect each other. We help each other. That's our main goal. Don't go on Twitter to talk shit. That's the most important part. Right? See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.